next we'll talk about the Vangear conversion that we have for the T6, T6.1, T5 transporter panel van. So this version has got 2 sliding doors, but a similar approach to the version with 1 sliding door. So we've got our Vangear headlining, so 2 headlining pieces. We've got our 2 LED lights here. We've got ABS covers on the wheel arches, ABS covers on the rear there. And then in the centre here we've retrofitted the VW factory 3-seater bench with the safety belts. So these mounts go into the standard VW configuration, and this seat can be removed as well. The 2-person lift, but this whole seat can go out. So, and of course we've also got our grey hex floor as well at the bottom here. So the front here we've got a section of unwing rail, and we drop our Nano kitchen module onto that. So Nano's got carry handle on the back here, and you drop the unit over those fittings. You've then got the washer and wing nut that just tightens up to fix this down. So the Nano has the table door. So with the leg there, you can clip the table onto the front here, and the leg just goes in there. Also on the Nano-Pod now we have a standard shelf. This splashback is not standard, and this pocket isn't standard, but this is now standard, which could be fitted on the right or the left. So your stove can be fitted here either depending on where you have the pod, to the outside or to the inside. Vangear modular bed's got the 2 hockey sticks which fit onto the factory fitted loading lugs in the middle and at the back here. So we'll lift this in and assemble the bed and show you how it works. So this is easier with 2 people, but so drop it in, and then you've got 4 M10 bolts that go into the loading eyes. So 1 at the side, 1 that side, and 1 at the rear here. Okay, so we've bolted the hockey sticks in with the bolts onto the load lugs. We've then got these fittings here. So these fittings are to store the legs, and also the legs slide into these when you're putting the bed out. So we've got 2 legs, so we look just a little bit careful with these as you're pushing them in and out of the van. So the 2 legs store there. And then you've got the 3 leaves that store on the top here. Obviously, one of the design considerations is the lack, when you've got the 3-seat bench with the upright here, is the lack of space. So that's why we've gone for this 2-leg and 4-leaf design. So this bed is 1400 millimeters wide, and so that matches, so it's a good width, and that matches the mattress. Okay, so we've got the 4 leads there. For transportation, these are just fixed with these 2 ring nuts. And then I'll show you how the bed extends. Okay, so we move the legs into position. They come out. So pull these out and then just slide the legs in there. These can then be tightened up here. So the leaves come out. Obviously watch your fingers as you're doing that. And then the front 2 leaves can be just fixed with these 2 bolts here. One there and one there. And then the mattress just slides out. Okay, so there you have the drawer installed into the modular bed. So you press the catches and it pulls out, and you can see there the 4 bolts to fix it down. And then press the catches in, slide it in. So this can either be used for luggage, or as we're going to demonstrate in a minute, we put our Vangear modular pod onto this section here, and we have a cooler here. So there we have the drawer fitted with our module pod and a cooler. So you can pull the drawer out, and it clicks, so that it locks there, and you can press that to release it. So on the left here we fitted the cooler, and then we've got a 12-volt socket just over there for this, and then the module pod. We've got the lid, which is a table, which I can either clip onto the front there or to the side. And then we have a stove here, and there's a cordless tap which you connect to the hose. So you can either have 2 5-litre internal water bottles, or we've also got an option for a 12-litre water bottle in there, and then a connection for an external water bottle just out here. And of course you've got your little door on the right here, and one on the left here.